Welcome back to my online class. Today, I want to continue the lecture on table design in Excel. Now, last class, I introduced you to how do you create table in Excel, and I explained some functions you can do while you create table. Now today, I will continue from where I stopped. We are here to watch my previous video on table in Excel, so go and watch it. So let's see. All those things that we can also do in Excel is that you can find the total rows. For example, now look at this thing I have here. Look at this. I have the total amount. So the total amount, I can find the total of the total amount. This total amount, I can find the total of the total amount. So how do I do that? So you can see. So this is my last row here. 1095, the last row. So what do? I will select this column. Once I select the column, so I will go to what? Table design. You can see. Then I will click on total row. So once I click on total row, it will automatically do the calculation. Can you see? That is how Excel works. You can see it automatically do the calculation. The number is too big, so I have to extend this. You can see. So the total row is $990, $237,451. So that is it. Now, that is how Excel works. Because I was able to do this. I am not even using any formula. So I'm not using any formula to do that. That is one of the functions of table. So tables allow you to do many functions, to do many calculations without using the formula. So look at this. Other functions can also be done here. For example, now I can find the sum. Look at this. The sum, the minimum, the maximum, and the count, the average. So how do we do that? Just click on the arrow sign. For example, now I want to find the average here. So click on this. You can see average. If I'm looking for the average, just click it. That is the average. If I want to get the maximum, can we see? If I want to get the minimum, you can see that. I can also get the variance, the standard deviation, and so on. Now let me just take it back to the sum. Now, so also if I want to, I can also calculate the sum or the it can be the minimum, the average, the maximum of this previous one. So how do I do that? So just come back here. You can see from here. You can see. So you now drag it to the one that you want to. You can drag it. You can see. Automatically it will calculate the minimum. So it now depends on what you want to calculate. Here maybe you want to know the maximum. You change it. Maximum. Can we see? This one is switching. Maybe here you want the minimum. Here you want the minimum. You change it. It's changed to minimum. So that is it. That is how it works. So you can use that to calculate the total rows in Excel. You calculate the average, calculate the maximum, and calculate the minimum in Excel. So now let's go to another function that you can also use while your data is on the table. You can also use filtering. In what? You can filter your data. You can also sort your data. So how do you filter your data in Excel? For example, now I want to look at this. Look at this arrow sign. These arrow signs are the column here. So the arrow signs allows you to filter your data. Look at this. I have, for example, now I want to know the country. This brings the country of the customer and what the product they ordered for. So, but it shows the number of times, the date they order for the particular product. But I just want to know the countries that is in this particular data. So what will I do? Go to that. Can we see that arrow sign? Click on it. It will show me all the countries in this data. We have Australia, we have Canada, we have India, we have now I can also, if I want to view only information of particular country, maybe I want to see the information of USA alone. So what do? I will just click, I will just uncheck the remaining one. I want to check the information for USA alone. I will uncheck the remaining ones and will leave USA. So then I will click on OK. So here, it will only show me the information for USA. It will only show me the information for USA. Maybe I want to just check the information of not only USA, maybe some particular 3 countries. Maybe I want to check the information for India, Canada, and Australia. So it will only bring the information for India, Canada, and Australia here. So others will not be what will not be shown here. So that is how it works. So for example, also under this, you can also maybe you want a particular product. You want the information on a particular, not all the products. So you just filter here too. You want the product. Maybe I don't want all these products to be displayed. I only want some products to be displayed. So what do? I will only check the one that I want to be displayed, while uncheck the one I don't want to be displayed. Then I will click on what? I will click on what? OK. So that means you can see, maybe I want a particular country, maybe I just want a UK. I want UK to be displayed. So I don't want this one, I don't want this, I don't want this, India. So just click on what? OK. So can you see? It's giving me the what? Only UK. You can see? Only UK. Can you see? You can see that we just check it down. We have what? We have only what? UK. We have only what? UK. You can see? So that is it on that. Maybe you just want to check a particular product. Maybe it's mint ship. You want to only check a single product for UK, which is what? Mint ship choco. So you just click on that arrow sign. So uncheck the remaining one and check in mint choco. So let's see. Uncheck the remaining one. So where is it? I will uncheck this. I will check this. I will check this. I will check this. So I will only check this mint ship choco, while I will uncheck the remaining one here. So we can see that I will uncheck the remaining one here. So it will only show the information for mint ship choco. You can see. So that is it. That means we have. So you can see with table, there are a lot of things that can be done with your data that make your analysis very, very easy. So without even using formula. Now, let's see, we can also sort data in Excel. You can also sort data in Excel. How do you sort your data in Excel? How do you sort it? Your data in Excel. You can sort from the biggest to the smallest. So let's see. Let's see how you can sort from the smallest to the what? To the biggest. So for example now, look at this amount or the quantity. I want to know I just want to know the countries that bought the highest quantity of products. Now let's see. That means I'm going to sort this quantity from the what? From the largest to the smallest. Just click on the cell there. So what do? You right click. Once you right click, you click on sort. You click on sort. So you now select largest to the smallest. You now select, can we see? So it gives me the what? From the largest to the smallest. That means the highest, the country that bought the highest number of quantity is Canada, which is what? 709, followed by Australia, which is what? 708, and followed by what? Canada, which is 614. You can see that? You can see that. So that is how it's being done. So I believe I've been able to explain some of this function, filtering and sorting, and how you can find what the total rows in what with table. So with table, there are a lot of things can be done, and now we can use the last class. I was able to use formula to do one or two things. I was able to use how you can use your formula in this table. So I believe this is very clear and you understand all what I have explained so far. If you have questions, kindly send your comments in my in the comment below. So then If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so that you always get notification whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.